Go ahead.
My name is Johnny DeGeorge, and I live in Nanjamoy, and I'm running for Charles County Commissioner. State officials and Charles County citizens are pressing Charles County Commissioners to back off of this development plan. This plan would be degraded vital Chesapeake Bay tributary and open up our farmlands to continued sprawling housing projects. Please vote no for the comprehensive plan. It is a bad plan. The heads of 13 state agencies in Maryland who make up the O'Malley administration's smart growth subcabinet called the county's draft growth plan unsustainable and warned it would violate state law and jeopardize future state funding for land preservation, community realization, and roads and water and sewer projects. The growth plan was drawn up by development interest and would degrade the county's natural resources and worsen traffic and school overcrowding. Charles County has the largest commutes of any county in Maryland, the highest real estate taxes outside of Baltimore, and the most portable classrooms. I have said over the years that there will be growth, but at least let's be smart about how we as a county grow. Just take a look around and see what's being built from St. Charles Parkway heading down Rosewick Road towards La Plata, cutting every tree down and slapping nothing but houses in its place. The Cross County Connector, here we go again. This highway is a project long thought by past and present county officials, but yet state and federal environmental regulations ruled out because of its potential to spur more development around the Mattawoman Creek. It was deemed, it was denied, so why is the Charles County Connector even being talked about? What part of denied do we not understand? County.
All right, folks, you're eating up his minutes. Go ahead, Mr. DeGeorge.
Commissioner Collins, quoted in the Baltimore Sun, says, "I do not think there is anything wrong with the plan or with the way the county has grown." What county are you living in, is my question.
Hey.
Please vote no for this plan.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Goff, folks, we're not